Water is the lifeblood of an aquaponic system. In order to maintain the health of the fish, plants, and bacteria in your aquaponics unit, it is essential to frequently test water quality. Today we'll be measuring 4 key parameters with the help of the API Freshwater Master Test Kit. In this kit, you'll find 4 test tubes, 7 solutions to measure pH, high-range pH, nitrite, ammonia, and nitrate, as well as a color chart. Now let's get started. First, collect water from your system to be tested. Then, fill your 4 test tubes with water to the line on the tube. Ensure the meniscus of the water touches the line. To test pH, add 3 drops of pH test solution to your test tube. Then, carefully cap the tube and invert it several times to mix the solution. To test ammonia, add 8 drops from the ammonia test solution number 1. Then, add 8 drops from the ammonia test solution number 2. Carefully cap the tube and shake vigorously for 5 seconds. Wait 5 minutes for the color to develop. To test nitrite, add 5 drops of nitrite test solution to the test tube. Once again, carefully cap the tube and shake vigorously for 5 seconds. Then, wait 5 minutes for the color to develop. Finally, to test nitrate, add 10 drops from nitrate test solution number 1. Before adding nitrate test solution number 2, vigorously shake the bottle for at least 30 seconds. Then add 10 drops into your test tube. Finally, cap the test tube and shake vigorously for 1 minute. This step is extremely important to ensure accurate test results. Now it's time to compare your test tubes to the color chart. Now you know how to quickly and accurately test the water quality of your aquaponics system. Thanks for watching!